1980 is the year. A 16-year-old high school student works his first shift as a line cook at a small McDonald's in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Since he was branded as the new guy, his manager, coworkers, and customers didn't think highly of him at the time, but that was only because they didn't know who this kid would eventually become. The 16-year-old McDonald's newbie's name was Jeffrey Preston Bezos, and exactly 38 years after cleaning every inch of the Albuquerque McDonald's, he would become the richest person on Earth. However, it's safe to say that such a journey would be no walk in the park. It's a journey full of risk and reward, ups and downs, successes and failures, and a load of hair loss. This is from McDonald's to a multi-billionaire. Today we will discuss the success story of Jeff Bezos, so stick to the video till the end and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Jeffrey Preston Jorgensen was born on January 12, 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Jeff's mother, Jacqueline, was still quite young and hadn't even finished high school when he was born. It was not cool at the time for her to be a pregnant 16-year-old in high school in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Because of her extreme poverty, Jeff's mother Jacqueline rejected the concept of possessing even the most basic home